Hello my little darklings, welcome again to my channel. Today I'm going to be using all 27 of my eyeshadow palettes to create a look. This is inspired by NikkieTutorials, her video. I'll link hers down below in the info. And let's get started. I'm super excited. I got all my palettes together and I can't believe 27. She has like 170. I have an idea of creating a cool side and then a warm side. So let's go. First off is the Snow Girl palette. I'm going to use this as my base. I'm already baking here. So I just use this on the cookie butter here. I'm just gonna put it on one eye. We'll use a different shade for the other eye so we can use all of the colors and all the palettes. So a lot has been going on in the beauty community. I'm just going to use my makeup up here and not support these people in the future. I'm going to go in here with the Gingerbread House palette. I forgot the name, like Gingerbread Cookie House palette. What a batch for the transition shade here. This will be the cool side. There's just a lot going on in the beauty community. I don't want to deal with it. It's like too much drama. Just not put any more energy or like support them. I didn't get the latest palette from Jeffree Starrr, the cremated. Like I was not feeling all the grays and all of the stuff around it, the controversy. Like just not a good vibe with that palette. Hopefully things will calm down and something interesting will be released soon. I got a new tattoo. I finally finished my arm up here. Got the geometric pattern. It's finally filled in. So excited. Next I'm gonna go in the Frida Kahlo palette, collab with Ulta Beauty. Green is cool, so let's put some green somewhere on the eye. I have no idea, I don't have a plan here. We could just put it on the outer part here. And next, got the little twin stars with Sugar Pill. I love this one, it's super cute. Gonna use the blue in here. This, I have a Mark palette, I Dream of Glam. These are like little highlighters, they're kind of a swirl. Oh, can I open it? These are kind of cool. Let's just add one in here, I could add it for the highlight. Blue here. I rarely use these are like buried in my vanity. So I've been really busy, a lot of stuff going on, and haven't been doing any videos, just haven't been motivated, and I've been doing art and just trying to keep my life together here. This next one is the Lorac Pro Pirates of the Caribbean palette. I use Starry Night here. Guess I'm feeling like a blue-green vibe here. That in the middle. Next, I'm going to dip in the Conspiracy palette. Let's use the green here. Illuminated. So much stuff going on with Shane Dawson. Oh my gosh. Like, super crazy. I'm not going to get involved. I've been watching all the drama channels. A lot of interesting videos on it. Next, I'm going to go in the Thirsty palette here. Let's get a new brush. Let's go with Submerge here. So I wore like a colored shirt today because we're doing like all colors of the rainbow on our eyes today. It's kind of mudding into kind of a mess here, like green and blue. Hopefully we can define this more. I hope everybody's been doing good, hanging in there, and just trying to stay grounded and stay productive here. Let's use cute here because I'm feeling cute. We're gonna stretch all the way to the other side of the table. Use the Controversy palette. Ooh, let's use Canceled here. Because some people are canceled right now. I wonder who's canceled. There's a lot of drama videos saying certain people are canceled. 5 Too Faced palettes here. Actually, these are warmer, so I'm going to put this on the other eye. These are mostly warmer shades. You can use this one, Live in Lavish. I love that color. It's super pretty. Actually, Money Bags. Money Bags, I'm going to use that one here because we've kind of got a greenish, bluish look going here. Put that in the corner. And Blueberry Swirl, that would be a good one too, because it's cool. Let's use a highlight shade from this one. Something cool. Ooh, Spoiled. That would be a cute color. Right here, this is the Clover palette. This little dog. Super cute packaging. I think it was a lot harder with Nikki. She had 171 palettes, like 27 doesn't seem too bad here. Gingerbread, I love this one. I love the smell of gingerbread. This one's a cool color, Figgy Pudding. Put that on. We're gonna go out a little bit, maybe up above here. I'm baking right now, shake and bake. So I haven't been putting makeup on, I just haven't been inspired. I've just been kind of Let's go ahead and find a cool color in here. We could do a highlight. Let's use that one as a highlight. Satin Sheets. Put that around here. So like here where I'm at, it looks like things are closing, like things opened up a little bit. I saw a few concerts, went out, and now all the bars are closed. It's super annoying, like open, close, red light, green light. I've seen that a lot, like memes, like the governor is doing red light, green light here. I think that's enough for this side. Let's do one more, like the inner corner here. The good old James Charles palette. Let's try this one here. What shade is that? Ring Light. Put that in the inner corner here. We may come back to this eye. Let's try to do the rest. I think I'm already halfway through all the palettes or more, so isn't that hard with like 27. Like, not bad at all. Looks pretty. Blues, greens, purples. So we're gonna go on to the other eye here. This is my first palette I ever got. The Urban Decay Smoked palette. It's gotten a lot of love. I hit all of their freestyle. That's a really good color there. I'm gonna use Kiki here. I'm gonna use Kiki like all over the lid here. I've repanned these a lot, repressed them a lot, and I haven't gone into this in a while, but it's a really good palette. Good for starting off with. Wild and Free. Let's find a warm tone. We could use this on the highlight. This one here. This is by BH Cosmetics. And the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to use this for the transition shade, Warm Taupe here. So what palette do you think I should get next? I'm like not sure if there's anything interesting out there I should buy. If you have any ideas, like anything that you like, you are like dying to have, like maybe I could get a hold of it and do a review on it. Just let me know. This is another old one from my original, like from the Urban Decay Smoked, and this one in the Balm of Your Hand by The Balm. I saw this from Emily. She's another YouTuber. I'll link her down below. She has really good reviews. Put that all over the lid. The pans fell out here. I don't know what happened to them. It's got this little lip thing over here I never use. I hate lip gloss like from a pan, and ugh. Good old androgyny. Look for a warm shade. Could use this one. Put that on the inner corner. And the Metal Matte palette, I love this one by Kat Von D. Let's find a warm shade in here. It's kind of cool toned. Could use Fringe here. It's kind of warmer. Kind of going for a nude look. On this eye. We're almost there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 palettes left. Not bad. Find a warm one. Here. Ooh, we could use an orange slow burn. Pat that on. I need more palettes. Make this more challenging. I love, this was one of the first ones I got too, Urban Decay Electric. It's super pigmented. You can see I got the purple. I love that shade there. It's really good for a dramatic, like colorful look, like clubbing. It's discontinued. It's like super old. Hey. So we're gonna go with our warm color in here. Ooh, the orange. That would be good. Devil and the Kat Von D. I love the packaging. St. Center. It's beautiful. It feels good to make a video again. Like, I should do this more often, like come up with another idea. I just have been kind of like brain dead, like coming up with ideas for videos, like makeup videos. Is like I don't feel like wearing makeup. There's like nowhere to go. Everything's closed. Things are really closed now. The bars, and stupid at the gym. Like you have to wear a mask. I'd rather work out in my living room here. Let's use this warm tone. That's actually kind of cool tone. Let's use this one here. The Patrick Starrr matte collab. I really need to bust out these palettes more often. It's a pretty shade here. Bring it down here too. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do after this. I might go to my studio and do some painting. I'm excited. I moved to a studio downstairs. I've been trying to stay motivated. Do something in there. Let's use the black one in here. It's this tiny little Bare Minerals, like little quad. This is super old. I had no idea like what would come out of this, like mashing all my palettes together here. It's pretty interesting. One last palette, big whammy. The Bloodlust palette, the super duper palette, super bulky, super mega palette. Okay, looking for a warm tone. It's a really cool tone. Let's use Bleeding Heart here. That was like super easy using 27 palettes here. Could actually use more shades from it, like use 2 shades from each palette. Maybe that'll be my next video. So I'm gonna come back, wipe my bake off, do my eyes and my lips. I will be right back. Hey everybody, I'm back. I got my contour, my blush, and my highlighter down, and my lipstick. It's a turquoise. It's from the Twin Stars collection too, Kiki. This all came together, and it came with a pink one too. It's nice to put this on again. I haven't used it in forever. It came with this little makeup bag. Little Twin Stars from Sanrio. Thought it matched my shirt pretty well, so there you have it. So final look. I hope you like it, and if you have any ideas on what you'd like to see or any palettes you'd like me to review, please put it in the comments below. Hope everyone's being safe and staying productive and staying positive and just staying busy and keeping your mind in a good state. So just hang in there, everybody. Hopefully things will get better and open up and things will be a little better and kind of back to normal. New normal sucks. Fuck the new normal. Bye everybody. I love you, my little darklings. Be safe. I already said that, but stay well and stay happy. Love you. Bye.